Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can translate your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. For this, we're going to be using the Shopify official app, which is called Translate and Adapt, which I already have installed on my Shopify store. You can just click here to add apps right under apps, or you can click here and search for the app and install it like that. But once you've installed it, just go ahead and access that app. As you can see, that'll open up this page over here, and to the right you'll see English is my default. I can click on manage right over here and I'll add a language. Just for example, I'll add Afrikaans and click add, and now Afrikaans has been added. Now what we're gonna do is just go back, and it should be set to Afrikaans, or it wasn't. I forgot to click something. Yeah, you need to click translate and click translate and adapt. I missed that step. And once you're there, as you can see, localized content, you can select whichever language you want from here. And if I select Afrikaans, you can click auto translate and click translate again. And as you can see, they'll email you when the translation is complete. And once that's complete, you'll have a complete localization of your page, which you can then use on your published store. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.